Now, in the last little video, I used a script called Run Murray Hill, and it's made especially for labels. It's a small script and suits quilt labels perfectly. But for this one, I'm going to use an installed font on my computer. I'm not using a pre-digitized one, and I'm using freehand. Freehand 521, I think it is. And we'll see how that works out. Okay, so now I'm going to insert my character. Well, my name. Little bit plain, but I'm not going to scream about that. This is only for a demo purpose. So while that's highlighted, I'm going to ask it to sit on its side, and then move it up there. Okay, now I'm going to go to Reshape. I want to put the start point there, and I want to put the end point here. And then tell that escape. There we go. So why have I done that? Well, because we're going back to create layout, highlight this, and we're going to do circle layout. Now, circle layout is another one of those which is a Rubberband tool. You get it where you want it. I want it sitting exactly in the centre of my hoop. Okay. Bit dull. So let's look at it out of true view. And it's still giving me a stop point up there, which is not what I asked for. So I'm going to tell it undo, because I want my end point down here. Reshape. There's my start point, there's my end point. And that's where I want them to be. But it insists on giving me an end point up there, and that is not where I want them to be. I'm going to tell that escape, and then I'm going to go to background, wrong one, software settings, thank you, embroidery. No automatic centering. Manual, set hoop center. Okay. I've got to come back in here again. There is my hoop center. Thank you. And then back to software settings. Embroidery. Design. I do not want apply closest join while digitizing. That's a pain in the posterior. Edit. Overlap. That's fine. Applique. We'll deal with that in a minute. Machine and hoop. Yeah. Show hoop. Manual. Select hoop center. I've already done that. Multi-hooping. Add registration marks on output. Margin medium. Don't optimize color changes when adding hoops automatically. Create yourself alignment problems. Okay, well, it looks as though it's not going to allow me to have what I want, which I find exceptionally annoying. So, circle layout. Rubber band. That goes to the centre. Can you see? That shouldn't be there. Now normally what I would do is run a stitch from there to the centre up to there. And then pop that in for each one so as we didn't get these big long jumps. Well, that's the copied circle rubber band version. Now I can already hear people saying, but Maggie, we've had that for a long time in our programs. Yes, you have. But what you haven't had is such a large variety of options. And it's some of these that we're going to look at. I'm still annoyed about this. It used to be so simple. Put your start and your end points down at one point, do a line into the middle and go in. And then stick in and make a star in the centre. Perhaps I'm missing something. I wouldn't be in the least bit surprised. I am still in a drug-induced fog, and I am missing an awful lot. But I wanted you to see exactly what we've got on offer in Create Layouts. And we've got quite a few things. I just want to show you a couple more, and then we'll move on from Create Layouts. So I'll see you all in the next video.